Unearthing fossils, the first step in discovery.
The journey to reconstructing prehistoric animals begins with careful fossil excavation. Paleontologists use delicate tools to uncover bones, teeth, and sometimes even soft tissue impressions buried in rock. Each find is meticulously recorded and protected. These remains, often millions of years old, are the crucial clues that scientists need to start piecing together the puzzle of extinct life.
Assembling the skeleton, putting the pieces together.
Once fossils are collected, scientists sort and identify each bone. They compare new finds to known skeletons and use anatomical knowledge to determine where each piece belongs. Sometimes, missing bones are reconstructed based on similarities with related species. This detailed assembly allows researchers to visualize the full structure of the long-extinct animal.
Interpreting muscles and movement.
The shape and markings of bones reveal much more than just a skeleton. Scientists study muscle attachment sites and joint surfaces to infer how prehistoric animals moved and lived. By comparing these features to those of modern animals, researchers can reconstruct posture, walking styles, and even estimates of speed and strength.
Revealing skin, scales, and color.
These rare details help scientists recreate the external appearance of ancient creatures. Advanced analysis of pigment residues can even hint at possible colors. By piecing together these traces, artists and paleontologists create lifelike reconstructions of the animal's outer look.
Bringing ancient worlds to life.
The final step combines scientific evidence and creative reconstruction. Using all available clues, bones, muscle studies, and fossilized impressions, experts collaborate to illustrate or model what prehistoric animals looked like in life. These reconstructions not only satisfy curiosity, but also help us understand evolution, ancient ecosystems, and the history of life on Earth.